I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the deletion status so you know what routes are possible. Sign into accounts. Google.com and attempt recovery immediately. If the account was removed within 20-30 days, restoration is often possible. Make sure you have your recovery email, phone number, and the last password you remember. These speed up verification. Also list linked services like Drive and Photos because they target what you will restore. Once done, prepare to use Google's account recovery flow step by step to reclaim access. Continue by launching the official account recovery flow. Go to the recovery page and enter your deleted Gmail address. You will be asked verification questions. Answer them precisely and in the order shown because consistency matters for automated checks. If prompted, provide the recovery email, phone codes, and the month or year the account was created. Using the same device and usual IP helps Google trust the attempt. If you get a code, enter it quickly. Make sure to follow each prompt until you reach a success or failure notice. If recovery succeeds, immediately reset your password and enable two-step verification to prevent redeletion. Update recovery email and phone, then review Drive, Photos, and Gmail for missing files or labels. Restore what you can and relink third-party apps. If recovery fails, don't repeat random guesses. Use the Google Support Account Recovery form or try again after 48 to 72 hours with more accurate details. One key troubleshooting tip: wait and collect exact answers like account creation month to increase success chances next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.